Okay, this came about 2 weeks ago, and today I'm going to get it unboxed. This is my Shelix Cutterhead for my Powermatic 60 jointer, Powermatic 60A, and I ordered this on January 11th, and it came about 9 days later. I also ordered one for my Delta 15-inch planer, and that one they say is going to take about 3 months. So it looks like I just got to cut this tape, and that might be all there is to it. If you're new to the channel, I'm working inside of a Shelter Logic shed in a box inside of my future wood shop. I'm still working on the wood shop, and it's the middle of winter, and I need a warmer place to work on stuff. That's the heater that you hear there. So let's get this cut. I think that's it. Ta-da! Sticker. Hopefully this is the bearings, because I ordered bearings with this. Okay, this is the extra knives and the screwdriver. Oh no. Oh, it's got the bearing on it. Let me see if it's got a bearing on this side. Yes, it does. I don't want to grab that. These are razor sharp. I don't want to get cut on video. We'll do that. Yep, there's the bearings. Well, I'm glad they put those on for me. Let's take a closer look at this. I've seen people put these on, and while it's still in the box, they wrap paper around it. I'm going to do that as well, but I'm not going to do it today. We'll check out what's in this bag right away. We have the screws for the inserts. These are inserts, I am sure. Very nicely packaged. There's only 5 in there, but there's room for 10. Just your basic little screwdriver by Great Neck, and 5 in there as well. I believe that is what I ordered though, 10 of them. And installation manuals are online. And this is information on replacing the inserts. Okay, I'll read this more when we put this on the machine. Yeah, this is very interesting. You could see the machine marks along here where this was cut on like a 3D CNC. And these knives are pretty interesting. It's like these are all kind of in a row, but this one, they're all in a row, and then this one is straight, or it's not straight, it's actually going the other way, because it would be on the machine dead like that. Yeah, it's kind of turned the other way. I hope that's not a mistake. Yeah, none of the other ones are like that. Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to write them a letter and ask them about that. That looks kind of weird. I wonder why that's like that. I'll get back with you and let you know about this one. That's very interesting. All of these right here, those drill marks, those are for balancing. They spin this in something, some kind of a jig, and then they drill these in there to get it balanced. There's a good amount of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 just in view right there. 3 more, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's at least a dozen of them. Yeah, these are all in a row. These are all in a row. Same here. I can kind of see why that's there. Got a knife here. Yeah, that's real interesting. I'll get a hold of them and ask them about this, and we'll be putting this in my Powermatic 60A jointer in just a couple days, and I'll have a couple of videos on that. First, I need to clean the tables and stuff on that, so it'll be a few days, but we'll get this in there, and I'll have an answer on this in that video. So make sure you come back and check that out.